How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ishaan, and in this video we're going to be breaking down the full technical analysis for AMC stock, its price target, and my exact strategies to profit off the stock. So with that being said, if you want to learn technical analysis, be sure to check out the Gen Z Trader Academy down below, because the current $11.99 sale will be ending at the end of this week, and there are a lot of advanced strategies that only course members get access to. So be sure to check it out down below, and let's get to it. Alright, so jumping into the technicals of AMC stock on this hourly chart, we can see a few things right off the bat. So first of all, last video I told you guys clearly how we were forming this massive symmetrical triangle, and I clearly told you guys to get ready for either a big move up or a big move down, and I clearly said be patient. I said wait to see which way it ends up breaking, and when it breaks, short or buy into that, and boom, what a beautiful move lower. So congratulations, congrats if you've been using technical analysis and following these videos to trade and profit, because we've been so accurate in predicting AMC stock movement. So let's take a look at what's been happening for the last couple days now. So we ended up dropping, and now as you can see, we found support right here at about this 885 level, and now we're facing somewhat of a resistance right up here at about $11. Right here we can see we peaked out at 11 over here, and we peaked out at 11 right over here. Now apart from that, it also looks like we have some general resistance right here at about this right here 1050 level. I would say, we kind of peaked out at 1050 over here, 1050 over here, right over here, and even right over here we found some support. We found some temporary support at 1050 right over here. We pushed up, but we broke below 1050 and closed below it. So one thing that's catching my eye right off the bat is that it almost looks like we're forming a cup and handle. As you can see, we got our cup right over here, and then this right over here is our handle. As we know what a cup and handle, it's a push up, then a quick draw back down, and then a boom, a push move lower. And so same thing looks like it's happening right over here. We can see we're starting to form lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. We're forming this downwards channel. However, if we can get a break above this, and if you can break above this top resistance line, I would be pretty convinced that we're forming a cup and handle and getting ready for a really big move. And if we can break back above this 1050 level, because again, as you can see, 1050 is a level of resistance. So again, if you can break above this top resistance line, break above 1050 and follow through higher, I would be looking to buy instantly into that, because it's definitely looking like a formation of a cup and handle. Now along with that, we can also see how the red MACD line has slightly again dipped back into negative territory, and it looks like we're about to cross back above the green signal line, like right over here. The red MACD line crossed below the green signal line, and we went lower. This indicated that the momentum shifted in favor of the bears. Now it's looking like it's trying to reverse higher, and if we can get that cross, that will further confirm that the momentum is shifting in favor of the bulls. So be watching the MACD on this hourly chart. And if we go to the daily chart, we can actually see that the stock formed a massive bullish engulfing candle yesterday. We can see how we had this big large green candle that essentially closed above where this red candle opened, and this essentially shows that buyers are returning and that buyers are regaining strength, considering the fact that they've essentially wiped out the entire losses for the last couple days. One thing I do really like about the stock is that we held this support level right here at $10. We can see how we had support right over here, support over here, and support right over here at about this $10 level. And we can see even today we held that key level of support. In fact, it almost looks like we tried to form a double bottom. We can see we came down, we got our initial push lower. There's our first bottom. Then we push up, came back down, but we held it, and we were able to close above it. So now that you get a rough understanding of the technicals, let me break down my price target and my strategy. There are a couple of good catalysts coming our way with a lot of reopening, and the fact that Godzilla vs. Kong that just hit the movie theaters is doing extremely good considering the circumstances. And so there is positive news coming out. So first of all, Again, to reiterate, if we can break above 1050 and get this push higher, I will be instantly looking to buy into that, because that will signal buyers following through on the trend. And if we can get that break, I could easily see the stock following through higher up here till $12, where we had a previous level of resistance right over here and a previous level of support right over there. Now, if the stock breaks above that $12 level, then I could easily see the stock heading all the way up here to about right here, about 1270, where we had a general level of support right over here. And if we break 1270, then from there hit these recent highs where we peaked out up here at about 1440. So I definitely believe in the short term that it's possible that we run up all the way to 1440. Now, on a break lower, which is totally possible, just like I told you with the symmetrical triangle, I told you guys it could easily break lower and to be patient. So if the stock continues lower and we break below this $10 support level, I could easily see the stock running down all the way back here to about 875, where we had support over here, because this is basically the only level below that. Now, if we break 875, which will be a pretty big level of support that we break, then I could see the stock heading all the way down here to about 764, where we had support right over here and support right over here. So those are the key levels to watch. And so guys, be sure to check out the Gen Z Trader Academy, because the current sale of $11.99 will be ending at the end of this week. There are a lot of advanced and exclusive strategies that I only discussed in the course that will help you be able to capitalize on so many different breakouts and trends and patterns before they even occur. It allows you to become more profitable and make better entry and exit positions. So get access right now before the sale ends at the end of this week. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.